Welcome to channel American Speakeasy. 10 useful phrasal verbs with set, like, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Set off. 3 meanings depending on the context. 1. To begin a journey or trip. Example, we set off for the beach early in the morning. 2. To highlight or enhance something by contrast. Example, the bright red dress really sets off her complexion. Set off. 3. To cause something to start or happen. Examples, the smoke set off the fire alarm. His comment set off a heated debate. Set back. Meaning, it's often used to describe something that causes a delay or an obstacle in achieving a goal. Examples, the heavy rain set back the construction project by a few weeks. Her illness set back her training schedule. Set down. Meaning, to put something in writing or to place something down on a surface. Examples, the pilot set down the plane smoothly on the runway. He set down his thoughts in his journal. Set out. 2 meanings depending on the context. 1. To begin a journey or an endeavor. Examples, we set out for the mountains early in the morning. She set out to write a novel. 2. To explain something clearly and in detail. Examples, he set out his plans for the new project in the meeting. The report set out the company's goals for the next year. Set on. Meaning, to attack or to be determined to do something. Examples, attack. The guard dog was set on the intruder. He was suddenly set on by a group of strangers. Determination. She's set on becoming a doctor and won't let anything stop her. They are set on winning the championship this year. Set about. Meaning, to start doing something in a determined or enthusiastic way. Examples, he set about fixing the broken fence as soon as he got home. They set about preparing the garden for spring. Set forth. Meaning, to begin a journey or to explain something in detail. Examples, to begin a journey, the explorer set forth with great enthusiasm. To explain something in detail. In his speech he set forth his vision for the company's future. Set aside. Meaning, to save something for a specific purpose, or to reserve something for future use. Examples, she set aside some money for her vacation. You should set aside some time each day for reading. Set in. Meaning, to become established or to start and continue for a period of time, especially when referring to something unwelcome or difficult. Examples, once the habit sets in, it becomes hard to break. After a few weeks, the routine began to set in. Set up. 4 meanings depending on the context. 1. To arrange or organize something. Examples, they set up the new office quickly. She set up a meeting with the team for next week. 2. To establish or start something. Examples, he set up a new business in town. They set up a charity to help those in need. 3. To prepare equipment or a device for use. Examples, he set up the tent before nightfall. Can you help me set up the new TV? 4. To frame someone for something they didn't do. Examples, he realized he was set up by his so-called friends. She felt betrayed when she discovered that her colleague had set her up for the theft. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, turn on bell notifications,